Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush, and this is called Shoot for the Stars. It's a very pretty bath bomb. I love this shade of blue, and it has 3 gold shimmery stars on top. Now from the pictures they have on their website, I was expecting these stars to come loose and kind of float to the top of the water, but that didn't happen. And then I read some of the reviews, and there were several other people that said that didn't happen either. So though there's a picture of that on their website, may or may not happen. It didn't happen for me, but I thought it was fun to watch. Again, I love this shade of blue, and it was pretty active. And this bath bomb is 7 ounces, and it cost $7.95. And it smelled wonderful. It had a citrusy sweet fragrance notes. And what I thought was cool is I could kind of tell it was getting smaller and smaller. So eventually when I did put my hand in there to look for the stars, they felt textured. Like it felt like the top of them had like a sugar scrub in them, and then the bottom felt like cocoa butter or like a soap. And then I used them to like rub on my leg and to exfoliate with. And because it let off like an orangish gold color, it also then changed the tone of the water. So right here it's very bright, very blue, and then at the end I'll put a clip in. It turned it more of like a seafoam green. So that was kind of cool. So here's what the stars looked like, pretty much intact. Tops of them were textured. You can see the yellow coming off on my hand. And that's what helped change the color of the water. You can tell when I clean off my hands. But once they're all 3 dissolved, I'll show you what the water looks like. And here it is after everything is mixed together. It's a very nice bath bomb. I still have one more left for the Christmas collection, so if you're interested in the demo, please subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.